Hi everyone! I'm recording a video to show a new tool we developed called the Quint Trace Explorer, which allows us to explore ITF traces produced by Quint. So here I'm going to call the tool with the -a for auto expand, and I'm going to pass this standard mean trace, which I generated for a case where all nodes decide. So it's just a random trace where all nodes get to decide. So I run the tool and I get to this terminal interface here where I can see the initial state. I can collapse and expand things with the mouse or the keyboard, and I can navigate between the states. So I'm in the state 1 here. Let's go to the next one. And I can see now what has changed from that state. So I can see that there is a new proposal and that the P1 has voted for this proposal, sending a pre-vote or broadcasting a pre-vote to all of the other nodes, and also changing its own state to pre-vote stage. So this is one state of the trace. I can go to the next one, and here P2 has done the same thing, also sending a pre-vote to all other nodes, also gone into pre-vote stage. Next state, we can see that we already have enough pre-votes to do a pre-commit. So we have quorum here because P4, a Byzantine node, is involved. So it can send anything, any messages. And therefore, we can get P2 to now pre-commit. It's also pre-committing for the same value here, V0. Next state, we can get P1 to do the same thing. So P1 now goes to pre-commit. You can also see the state here has changed because P1 has assigned the locked round and locked value, and valid round and valid value as the protocol states. Continuing on, now we have the first decision. P1 has decided on value 0. Using these pre-commits. Then we have some timeout that doesn't really matter, and we have then P3 deciding. Then we have a bunch of timeouts. Here a timeout from P3, then another one from P2, another one from P3, and finally P2 decides also on V0. So now we can see that P1 has decided on V0, P2 has decided on V0, P3 also has decided on V0. So all the correct nodes have decided on the same value, which is great. So far we have been comparing one state to the previous one, but I can also click this diff button here where I can open two arbitrary states. So let's take the left side here and go back to, for instance, state 4, and then I can see a bunch of things have changed since then, all the events that have changed. So I can compare the entire thing here. That's it, and then you can hit Q for quit.